Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, sort of. Monday the 2nd of May, which means it's actually a bank holiday here in the UK, or certainly in England. That was the only thing that I bought in a charity shop. I did see one or two things that I'll put little video clips on at the end of the video. The rest of the stuff came from Poundland. Another solar light. This one lights up the bubbles. If we cover it, don't know if we can actually see that at all. Colour changing, and obviously the LED is shining down here and changing the colours of the bubbles, which I thought was a nice effect. The only reason I bought it was that was the last one on the shelf of that type, and it was only £1, so I thought I'd have it for my collection that's out the window there. So I'll add it to that. I will do a little tear down first to check what's in it. I'll do that in a minute. What else? That Poundland voltage tester, 12 volts to 250 volts, it says. Only bought it because it was £1. I don't know whether we'd be able to do a tear down on it as such, see what's inside. Depends whether it's sealed or whether we can unclip it. These, Poundland, a pair of coasters, slate coasters. They've got a nice weight to them. I was thinking of using them as the base for something like a solar pulse motor or solar rocker or something like that. They just feel nice and solid. And then charity shop, why did I buy that? Well, probably because of that. Just £1. Jigsaw, 200 pieces. I thought, yeah, 200 pieces is about the right amount to do a little time-lapse video. So that's what I bought that for. Whether all the pieces are there or not, we won't know until we try and assemble it. I did have a quick look inside. Obviously didn't count them or anything. They're fairly thin card, but they'll do. So, shall we just do a very quick tear down on that other thing? I can't even get the top back on now. There we go. Just so we can see what chip it's got in it. Does that come undone? Doesn't want to come out. Oh yeah, it does. Wobble it a little bit. There we are. Okay. So that's just resin or plastic or something with bubbles in it. So the light shines down through and is reflected back by the bubbles. Oh, just in case you don't know, the spike is in the bottom there. I'll have to undo that to get the spike out. Quite often the spike gets left on the shelf and people must get home and get quite upset because they've got no spike to stick in the ground. Right, on-off switch there. Oh, that one's come undone already. I don't expect anything exciting in here. Small nickel metal hydride battery. I'll do a close-up of the chip to see what number it is. I mean, they all seem to be very much similar. Chip, inductor, small capacitor, and diode, I think. So we'll do a close-up of that, and then obviously down to the solar panel just there, which is quite a small one for the size of plastic that they've put it in. That's quite a small one. Right, I'll do a close-up of the circuit board. Right, that's that side. Can't quite see the numbers on the diode. Capacitor, yeah, we can see that all right. Can we see the number on that chip? I can catch it right for the light to... I'm not sure. I'll do a macro one on there. Oh, and the battery. Just disappears where we can't quite see everything it says on it. Oh, I think we can see enough there. 1.2 volts, 40 milliamp hour, charge at 4 milliamps. I've just added that latest solar light into my selection here. I've rearranged them a bit now. So these are both from Sainsbury's. Poundland, 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 Asda, 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 Asda. And just looking at the top of them, these ones are significantly smaller panels than these other ones. Still, we'll see how they get on. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.